The amp-to-wire size interactive calculator determines the correct wire gauge for your electrical circuits based on current, voltage, and installation requirements. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode. I'll use Find Minimum Wire Size AWG. Choose your system voltage from 12 volt DC, 24 volt DC, 48 volt DC, 120 volt AC, 240 volt AC, or custom voltage. I'm selecting 12 volt DC. Pick your conductor material between copper and aluminum. I'll use copper. Select installation type from chassis wiring open air, conduit raceway, bundled enclosed, or direct burial. I'll choose chassis wiring open air. Enter your current in amps. I'll input 25. Specify one-way length in feet. I'll use 50. Set your max voltage drop percentage. I'll enter 3. After clicking calculate, here are the results. The wire size shows exceeds 40 AWG. Consult parallel conductors or busbar. The ampacity rating is 380 amperes. The actual voltage drop is 0.12 volts, representing 1.02%. Wire resistance measures 0.049 ohms per 1,000 feet. Total circuit resistance equals 0.0049 ohms. The ampacity utilization is only 6.6%, indicating significant capacity headroom. This calculator prevents undersized wiring and excessive voltage drops in your electrical designs. Find the link in the description below.